It's a new 2026 Honda HR-V. Packed with conveniences, versatility, and a sporty driving feel with easy maneuverability, the HR-V tames the urban jungle. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Inline 4-cylinder engine, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, external memory control, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, wireless phone connectivity, and LED low and high beam headlights. Every Honda is designed with the driver in mind. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us today at 561-508-9936.